What's up guys? So today I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this really subtle eye look. So first I start with the Anastasia of Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. I start by pressing in the product all over the eyelid area and anywhere else I plan on having color. So the three eyeshadow palettes that I plan on using to achieve this look are the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, Morphe and Jeffree Star palette, and the James Charles palette. So some people start with a transition shade. I'm just going to go right in and start with Root Canal. So this is not going to be a simple look. So I'm going to grab a medium-sized fluffy blending brush and build up that color from my crease area all the way blowing it out to the middle of my temple. What I'm doing with this step is basically sketching out the entire area where the look is going to be. Clearly, it does not have to be perfect. So now that that's done, I'm going to go in with Mogul from the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette with the Morphe R37 brush and just start building up that color right underneath Root Canal. Then with a pencil brush, I'm going to go in with Cavity and start blending it in right underneath the eyebrow, all the way down my nose as if I was contouring with that color. Now I'm going to go in with a flat brush and the color Glucose, which is a beautiful flat white, and I'm going to go right underneath the eyebrow and start lightening up very subtly right underneath the eyebrow itself. Now I'm going to grab my favorite blending brush, my M576, and I'm going to go in with my favorite color off the Blood Sugar palette, Coma. I'm going to start blending this out from the outer corner of my lid all the way out to the blowout to the middle of the temple. And also start to bring down this color to the lower part of the eye. Now I'm going to grab NYX's Cake That Powdered Eyeliner Duo and grab the black and a pencil brush and start introducing that black to the upper lash line and a little bit into the crease just to kind of darken and deepen those colors. Now I'm going to grab the James Charles palette with the color Love That and the Morphe M576 brush and just blend out that black and very subtly start to introduce that color into the middle of the lid. Now I don't really have like a staple product to cut my crease. Today I'm just going to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in color Pale and what I know to be the world's smallest flat brush ever. Now following the same shape that we went down our nose with, I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease all the way down the sides of my nose as well into a point. Now it's time to set that cut crease and use Glucose in that flat brush and just pat, 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 and pat some more, a little more. Now I grab my NYX glitter primer and right along the line where the shadow meets the cut crease, I'm gonna add a little bit of that glitter primer and go in with the pink from the Glitter Ghost palette. Then I'm going to grab my Anastasia loose glitter and pack that onto the inner part of my lid and blend both glitters together. Then I'm going to grab my Epic ink liner and ever so not subtly start to build up a very not so subtle wing. As thick as I can without looking completely crazy. Too late. So while in quarantine, I've run out completely of my NYX On The Rise mascara, which is my favorite, but here, meanwhile, I'm using a Sephora Vintage mascara. Now to complete this completely subtle look, I'm going to go in with Morphe Luxurious Lashes and use House of Lash Glue. Now that I'm starting to look like a pink black swan, I'm definitely ready for the rest of my face. Thank you guys so much for watching. I cannot wait to see your pictures of you guys going to your office and grocery store and walking the dog and taking your kids to school, or your next Zoom meeting, or the first day out of quarantine. So here's the complete, not so subtle Mogul blowout look, inspired by the color Mogul from the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette. Remember to share this video so that everybody can be walking around with this very subtle look. Subscribe to Daniel René Music, like, and comment below. Bye.